Today, this video, I'm going to make a simple tabletop. First, you have to soak the oasis foam, floral foam. This is fresh foam. So let the foam sink or soak onto water. Don't push the foam so that the foam can absorb water properly. And you have to prepare a bucket full of water, clean water, so that no bacteria will be developed on your foam, because the foam is dirty. Now we are not sure 100% clean. And now I soak 2 foams, so because I'm going to use either 1 or 2 for my arrangement. And I have to use to anchor the foam on the plate. You have to place the foam on the plate. You have to use the anchor tape. So this is the Oasis product you're going to use to anchor the foam so that it won't come out, and it gives more secure. You have to secure your foam and also the flowers. And for me, my idea, I have to cut the edge, which is on the edge to edge. I have to remove that one so that I can make a nice shape of tabletop. And all the excess one, you have to throw it away in the garbage or the trash. And for me, I love to use more foliage, so I use different types of foliage. I have the Masingiana, I have Italian roscos, I have the standard roscos, and I have also the eucalyptus. For me, I'm using the cutter, a different cutter actually. We have the switch cutter and we have the picker cutter. And for me, I love to use cutter to cut the flowers because it's very easy for me and it's very sharp. For cutting leaves, I use the scissor. So scissor is very easy to cut the leaves, and to trim the edge or to trim the leaves, I use scissor. I love to fill with the leaves. Everything will be filled with leaves because I like leaves than other flower because it looks more natural. So this foam I filled with the different foliage. Once you filled with all leaves, so make it sure that you have to spray the leaf shiner before you place the flowers, so that the flowers it won't get damaged, because the leaf shiner is composed of something oily thing. So my idea is I have to spray first before I'll put the flowers. Bye-bye. I love the arrangement, which is the rustic design, or not the flowers are uneven length, so I like that one. So this is the way I make an arrangement, which is different length of the flowers, so you can see the flowers from inner until the outer space of the flower arrangement. So this is the way I'll do the arrangement, and should be the leaves will be projecting out of the flowers. I want to make the arrangement look natural. So you can distribute the flowers accordingly and evenly, not totally 100% evenly, but you can do according to your own design. So this is not a grouping, this is like distributing the flowers in each space or in each place of the arrangement, different place of the arrangement, so that you can give from front and also at the back, so you can place the flower arrangement on the table, because this is for the dining table, so everyone can see to each other. Not very high, maximum like 25 centimeter high and like 65 centimeter length, and the width is like 35 centimeter width. So I use also different flowers like spray roses, I have the carnation, I have lilies, the Casablanca lilies, I have the alstroemeria. I love the alstroemeria, to use that alstroemeria because it gives more flowers, because in one stem of the alstroemeria there are so many flowers on it. And also the spray roses, I love it because it gives more volume of your arrangement. And calimero, I have the calimero and different roses as well. I have something purplish pink, and also I use the carnation. I have two different carnation, different color. I have the fuchsia pink and also light pink, like a powder pink. And now I'm putting the additional accessories as well, the spray roses, and I don't like to use filler like gypsophilia for my arrangement because it's very common for me. Dagdagan ko na lang din. Free lang dito kasi dapat doon man ito gawin. Adjust ko na lang. Kasi sayang naman mawala ito customer natin. Matagal ko na ito ginalaga ang matanda.
Hindi naman ako gumawa ng ganyan sa kanya. Puro ako na lang ginamit sa pangalan kasi ako kilala niya. Nagka-copy with me. Pero mabait na siya.
Mabait naman yung siya. Ano niya siya? Yung mga anak niya doktor. Sa Amerika na nagkatrabaho. Dalaga pa yung mga anak niya dati. Ngayon nagkasawa, lalaki na yung mga anak. Nung parang nagdigawan pa sila, nagtrabaho sila sa Pula Hospital. Customer ko na sila sa Bilala. Ano baka sabihin niya, shoot tayo ito, no? And this is the come out of my simple tabletop arrangement. And actually I love to put few purple, violet lisianthus, just to break the color of light pink and white. So I want to add a little bit darker. So this is the most beautiful. I like the lisianthus. So this is the simple one, which is I always do. I like simple thing, not the fancy things, so I like it look natural. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Mers the Florist, and you can see and learn a lot of ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. And hopefully you learned and you get some ideas. Those who are the beginner for the flower lover, and I hope you enjoy my video, all my videos. Thank you so much.